In this video, I'm going to share my initial thoughts on what I believe to be some of the best low-cost or high-quality budget, if you will, night vision out there right now. Spectre Optics makes a white phos high FOM true night vision, not digital, at a price that I would consider to be very competitive for what you're getting, especially with the discount code on the sponsors page of my website. This isn't going to be a full review because I'm still testing them, and I'll be making more videos on these as I run them, but I will go over my thoughts using them so far, as well as go over my current helmet setup. The best way to support the channel is by becoming a member of the kit page, where I provide discount codes and organize all the links to everything I talk about on the channel. Huge thank you to the sponsors of the channel. Guns Online, thank you. HSL Ammo, they sponsor most if not all of the ammo you see me shoot. It is fantastic. And of course Optics Planet, thank you. I have discount codes for all of them below. Check below for the full disclosure where I explain my relationship with Spectre Optics, how we partnered, what I'm getting in exchange for videos, and more. I'll be fully transparent so you can make the best decision for you, but to save you time, I'm going to put it down below. First off, let's go over the helmet setup because right now it is pretty basic. The helmet itself is a Hardhead Veterans bump in multicam, and I'm running the Unity M-Lock Peltor adapters, and of course the Peltor Comtac 6 with Coffin Works camo cable management. I absolutely love the Peltors. They are by far some of the best ear pro on the market for both radio connection and comfort. Then on the front here we have a Wilcox NVG mount, and to add some texture I added a scrim from 100 Concepts. That's it for the helmet setup, but as for the night vision, I'm currently running their Scout Gen 2 Plus 1400 FOM 23 SNR. The unit I got is actually 1520 FOM, and that's because 1400 is just the minimum for the price range these are set at. So you could also get something over 1400, which is cool. They do guarantee 1400 FOM though. And if you don't understand FOM yet, just know that the higher the number, like up in the 2000s, the clearer the image. So far, even with the lowest FOM rating that Spectre offers, these still see pretty well, and I'll try to get some footage up here so you can see, but it's hard to get a one-to-one through video of what they actually look like, so I'll be figuring out how to get better footage in future videos. I do also want to say the clouds are out tonight, so it is very dark outside. Generally with night vision, if you have a little bit of moonlight, they can see much further, but even as dark as it is outside, I'm surprised at how well these are doing. You can see here how dark it is, and with the night vision, it's clearly doing its job. The image really does look better than what you're seeing now. It is really clear. There's no distortion. They come with a nice multi-coating on the lens for durability. You do have a manual gain controller as well as a built-in IR illuminator. They are IP67 waterproof, and another nice thing is they actually include a J-arm and helmet mount in the box, which saves you $500 plus if you went with a brand leader like Wilcox. And honestly, I have Wilcox mounts and these are pretty much comparable, so good on them for adding that for free. That means out of the box you're able to mount this to a helmet, which is really cool. Another nice thing is they auto shut off if you flip them up on your helmet, and then they turn back on when you flip them down, so that's nice for battery savings. The version that I have here is what they call mid-level night vision, meaning they aren't meant to be the best of the best, and the price definitely reflects that. From what I've seen, they perform very well, are reliable, and overall well made, which is what I want to go into next. The glass they used is called Carson Style, which basically means they use the gold standard of glass for night vision. Yes, there is better glass out there, but Carson glass is known in the industry for not having any distortion, which means it's crystal clear from edge to edge, and it's excellent clarity while also being free from any imperfections that cause issues while looking through. There's a couple different glass manufacturers out there ranging from mil-spec to high-end, and I would compare the glass Spectre uses to a high-end BCM rifle, where mil-spec might be a PSA rifle. So you really are getting amazing quality for the price, and they specifically arranged their manufacturing that way to get the best product for the price, specifically so they could sell them for less. And no, again, it's not the best of the best, but it is one of the best you can get for the money. Not only do they inspect every single unit that moves through their store in every condition you can think of to ensure you're getting a good product, they also are there to take care of you if you run into any issues, which I I think is what separates them from buying from other companies in this price range, or from an unknown source like Alibaba. Customer support is the biggest part of what makes up the rest of the cost in these. You can absolutely get night vision on Alibaba, but the difference is there is no quality standards or customer support. You might even get a great product from one of those random sites, but if you ever run into issues, you're on your own. If you're going to spend this much money, it makes sense to have the back-end support, knowing that if anything happens, you have a way to be taken care of. Besides that, all the other competitors I could find have their night vision listed at a lower FOM rating, and you're going to be paying at least $1,000 more. When you put all of this together, you're getting a high FOM unit, gold standard, clear glass, extras included for free like the helmet mount and J-arm, customer support, quality guarantees, and a warranty, all for less than most of the other guys out there. This company is delivering their promise to get high quality night vision into the hands of as many people as possible, and that's why I'm making this video, because I believe they are actually doing it right, and their product speaks for itself. The other cool thing they do is, because they are local, they have a team member bring units to my range day events that I host monthly, and they let whoever wants to try them use them for the night for free, which I think is awesome. Again, I'm going to have much more to come on these. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Also, let me know what you want to see in future night vision videos. Make sure you make it to the range to train so you can become more proficient to protect innocent life, and I will see you in the next one.